Abatura okuruga omyanya itari emwe n'emwe omu municipality ya Masindi obwo hati bino kwerarikirira bwanyuma y'emihendo y'amaizi okweyonjera habw'okushanga ngu obwo hati amaizi gaburire kimwe. Abatura nibagira ngu ekidomora ky'amaizi ekya lita 5 kirugira ahari shiringi 5 kyaza ahari shiringi 10. Abatura nibagira ngu obwo hati ibura ry'amaizi riteganisira n'emirimo yabo eya butosha ahabw'okushanga ngu ahi bakwiha amaizi ahakye enyiriri niziba ziri ningwa.
Nakuya amaizi okujja haizwa nyekya karukutasa 6-8 okusiba musana abana bali muka bakuchura so tukwena national court tuyambe tugarulira amaizi nike kizibu twina hano Masindi municipality emirimo yaito okusanga abana bali njara hawena kuya amaizi so kujja izwa nosibira okimu kuchumba kufokere kizibu bana kusiba njara.
Gerard abitegeka omutura nagira ngu ekizibu kibine n'obwire bw'omwabazyo ahabw'okushanga ngo abana b'amashomero nabo ni bantu baronda amaizi.
Kiri muhendo mazi kugatwara bayipani mwego gwa go baida tatu galo singa tubantu gatunda rukumakira bara kugatunga bita kandi rweba abantu bakoze bayibere banje muna mutataina mulimu bakusafta.
Fred Kaija Ronald owakuruga omukyaro ekya Civic Cell nashoborora ari kugira ngu ekizibu ekibari kutunga n'okushanga ngu ahamwe amaizi gabuzire ngu kandi ahigari ni hakye munonga ekiri kureta habaho omwijurirano.
Kubura ekyo kizoka kiri aba tap aba water nubo tinkumanya bo bakukitekereza cyakubitu nitutukubyetegereza kunkaga gabuzira natawe ekizibu ky'amani abandi barara batene emizi turara ntubona kurwana kubera yiziba ubwo munyincha kandi tusiba ntubona nakuyisa nakubwiki yo natine kifuna ndi twafuna mezi.
Julius Okunya omutura owa Northern Cell nagira ngu hashimiri kugire cyakora kugira ngu habakaza bingi nibasigaho amaka gabo baza kutaha amaizi ngo bitu bagaruka ombwire bw'ekiro.
Omba ya national water kusaidia kwa maji yetu. Sai maji iko shida, kwanza asubuhi unaweza kufika hapo saa 1 asubuhi na toka saa 9. Hata wabibi wetu kuja kwa mtoni unaweza kuja saa 6 na rudi saa 12 mpaka jioni.
From the situation of water, the lacking water in Masindi district. As you see people here, there are very many. They came here in the morning. They're suffering from water issues. Our taps, they're not bringing water. I don't know what's wrong with national water because they are not doing their part. But they are requesting the government to help us national water do their part because for sure we are facing a lot of struggle here at the well.
Robert Wabyoma ori kuguza amaizi nagira ngu obwa hate mihendo ine kuzahiguru ngo abo kwa bari kwenda amaizi nabo ni binji mnonga.
Gatalo wa tap tukunda kidomla singire 10 gabagalo tukunda siringi 5 baita nkasadi ni bantu batalo gatalo wa tap bantu kwa bengi banza na nkamdo diguligumu kwenda rimdo diri nyingi bagiteka unde benkeni ati nkantu inagumu gonga maizi gakuja kunwetu mdo diguligumu.
Lambert Tabu owetongore ekyamaizi okuruga omuri Masindi nagira ngu bakatungamu obuzibu ahamwanya ogwa Kiyanja water plant ngo bitu bariyo nibakikoraho.
Been occasioned by our faults at our production treatment plant. In Kiyanja. So we had a failure on our transmission main, especially over the weekend. The teams worked throughout because when there is a failure on the transmission main, there is no way you can supply water to the community. So the whole of Saturday and parts of Sunday we were working on this and this has been resolved.
Gashakwa Innocent atuganyira aha watayaruwe.